Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you guys the techniques of how to iron your fabric, especially the one that has pleats. And if you haven't seen the tutorial on this gown, please check out my channel. Is there the video before this one or a video after this one, whichever is in my channel. Please check it out. So the first thing you're going to be having, or the first thing you should consider while ironing your fabric, is your iron. Not just any iron, a steaming iron. You can see my is a steaming iron. In fact, don't want to come close to this iron, and don't mind the water that is coming out of it is leaking. It fell. Then the next thing you're going to be needing is a padded fabric. I have my folded into 4. So you don't want to be ironing on a strong surface. So you make sure that you pad your surface very well. Just like you see, my fabric is folded into 4, or the fabric I'm going to be using is folded into 4. So we're going to go ahead and arrange our the gown that we want to iron. And the first thing I usually iron is my collar and the upper part of this gown, so that I'll make sure that that is out of the way. So I'll iron it down. And please, while ironing this, make sure you press the area that you have to press, so that water will come out on your iron. So you press it as you iron. So that's what I'm trying to show you guys. You press it as you iron. So you can see our collar looking so beautifully laid. So I'll go ahead and arrange every other part of this gown, and then I'll iron it. And don't forget to press the steaming part to bring out that steaming effect, so that once you iron, it lays very flat and very well. I'll also iron the sleeve and also the other sleeve. So for the plating part of this gown, the first thing I usually do is to arrange it, because once you arrange it, it's easier for you. And in fact, at this point, it's easier for you to arrange and know how much you're going to fold it. If yours is not folding in like this, you can use your pin and hold it down. This is the part that you get everything right. If there is any need to adjust, you adjust this at this point. So once I am done arranging that, I'll go ahead and start ironing. My iron is leaking, just like I said, and that's why my clothes is getting wet at some point. So I'll go ahead and iron and iron and iron. You can see how lid is looking already, and I'll to repeat the same process for the back. I'll arrange it, and then I'll start ironing. Usually this other side, which is the back, you iron and you arrange and iron, because the first one that you iron, the front one, is already affected this one. So you need to arrange and the iron. And that's it for how I iron my. I don't know how others do theirs, but this is the easiest way I do mine, and it comes out very beautiful. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next tutorial. And check out this tutorial if you haven't seen, see it well. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.